Hello CIS scholars, welcome back. Today we are going to start the new topic subtraction lesson number 3. So let's start. What do we mean by subtraction? Subtraction means to take away. We use the symbol to indicate minus. The answer in subtraction is called difference. Subtraction means taking away or minus smaller number from bigger numbers and find out the difference. When we will start the subtraction, we will minus two numbers and whatever answer we get, that is known as difference. Subtraction can be done in the process of taking away, comparison, and backward counting. I will explain you with some examples. Here is a boy who is having so many hats. So let's count how many he has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. He has 7 hats. He thought to give 2 hats to his friend. So we will take out 2 from here. 1 and 2. So we have to minus 2 from 7, right? So 7 minus 2. So now let us count how many he has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now he has 7 hats. So 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Let's see some more examples. Here is a boy who went to the market and bought some fruits. So let us check which fruit it is. It's an apple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He bought 6 apples from the market. He thought to give to his friend, but how many he will be giving? Let us check it. So he has 6 apples. He gave 2 apples to his friend. Now how many apples are left with him? 1, 2, 3, 4. Before he had 6, but he gave 2 apples to his friend. So 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Let us see one more example. Here are some birds. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 birds are flying in the sky. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So yes, there are 8 birds. Now we will take out, or we can say we are going to take away 3 birds from here. So 1, 2, 3. So how many birds we have taken out from here? 3. So 8 minus 3. Now how many birds are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, that's the correct answer. ice creams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 ice creams. After 12, if I eat 3 ice creams, so we will take out 3. 1, 2, 3. How many I have taken out? 3. So how many are left now? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 12 minus 3 is 9. So 9 ice creams are now left over. So this is 9 is also known as difference. We are getting the answer. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. We can do subtraction with the help of number line also. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. So here it's a 5. We'll move 1 back. So it is 4. We have moved 1 back from 5 and we have touched to 4. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Let's recall subtraction using these examples. You have already learned in first standard. So we will revise it once again. Here is a table form, tens and ones. So let's start. Always subtract starting with the digit in ones place. Yes, we will always start from the ones place. In ones place, the numbers are 7 and 5. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many we have to take out? 5, right? So we will take out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are left over? 1 and 2. So 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Now we will move to the tens column. The number is 5 and 2. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many we have to take out? 2. So 1, 2. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, because here 1, 2, 3. 3 are left over. So 3 is the correct answer. Now let's move to the next example. There is a table form, tens and ones. Subtraction sign, that's a minus. We will start from ones place value first. So 9 is the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now how many we have to take out? 6. So we will take out 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many are left? 1, 2 and 3. So 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. Now let's go to the tens column. The first number is 4. So, and we have to take out 2 away. So let's start. 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many we have to take out? 2. So 1, 2. We have taken out 2 from here. So 4 minus 2. 1 and 2. The answer is 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Let's practice. Here are some questions. I hope students you all will do the practice of these questions. Thank you.